Hiya, I'm Laura,
And I'm Sean.
and today we're doing a special effects makeup tutorial with Fela Youth Arts Project. So first, let's start off and just put on a layer of liquid latex. All products used will be linked to the video, and you're just putting it across the face. And then you would take a bit of cotton wool, kitchen roll, toilet roll, anything like that, and just put it on top. And then taking more liquid latex, you just have to layer it on top. And it is really messy, so it will go all over the face. And you just have to make it secure, so just put as much latex and cotton wool as you need so that it doesn't fall off. Then you just let the liquid latex dry for a wee minute, because if you put up your anything on top, it will just slide off. And when the liquid latex is drying, you can go in with tweezers, but be careful, and just make some holes and stuff to make it look more like gory, and then you're going to put the blood on. Once the latex is dry, you can go in with a powder or a foundation, anything that's like skin colour, and just start to go over the parts that look really yellow, because you want it to blend in. And it helps it set it too for when the blood goes on. Once you've got powder on, you can go in with any paint or you can go straight away with blood, but I'm going to use this paint palette. The only thing is, this is only activated with alcohol, 100% alcohol, so that is the only thing, so I would recommend using it unless you are like a makeup artist. And rather than using a brush, I'm going to use a sponge. And just dab it on. Cover up any white there. A lot of this stuff is messy, so you don't have to have good brushes, you don't have to have anything good because it probably will get ruined. So anything works. Then next, I like to go in with this wound filler from Elliot's. It's by Cryolan. It's really good for making things look real. Just gives them that really pretty effect. Then next, I'm going to go in with another Cryolan product called Fresh Scratch. It's a blood scab effect, and it's just good for making things look really bloody but without the really fake effect. It's really up to you how much you want to add, but I like to make things really dirty and gory. And if you wanted just to like finish this look off by doing something on this side of the face so it doesn't look too bare, you could just take some blood on a sponge and do it like that, just diagonally, just so it makes it look like scratch wounds, really.
Tackles.
And that is the finished look of the card in the head.